Hi, welcome to my channel, Kenny's Foreign Motor, experience for foreign cars, European and Japanese. Today we got 2008 BMW X5 6-cylinder 3.0. You got check engine light for Misfire number 1. I'm going to show you how you do it. You got 2 screws here, already loosen it, you get out, 5mm, and you got 2 more in the back. I already take it out. It's simple. This is loose. Then you're gonna come this way, remove that air intake hose right here. You take it out, and you push this. You pull up tiny bit. You make some room. Just clips. Push up, and you take this cover out. That out of your way. This is ignition coil number 1. You remove this with your hand. This clip. Just pull the ignition coil out. This ignition coil, that's how we go. Number 1, number 2, number 3, 4, 5, 6, all the cylinder, one by one. Today we have an issue with number 1 cylinder misfire. First thing you do, replace that ignition coil. You can replace the spark plug, it's better. So simple to do. Push the ignition coil, the new one, all the way, and you got this harness right here. You push the harness all the way, click, and then push this down. Put your cover back. Just make some room. It's simple, you can do it yourself. Go like that. This is have like clips. It's clip right here. It's back to the spot. And you got 4 screws going to the top. There's 1, 2. Intake hose. Clip, push back in. It's all set. Now we're gonna go clear the code, and this vehicle is all set. Okay, now we fix that ignition coil, we'll replace it. We're gonna go to the scan tools, erase code. Okay, so erase, yes, erase code, all set. We erase. We're going to start the vehicle. No more check engine light. That's how you fix Misfire and BMW X5 and any other series, BMW 3 Series, 7 Series. So please do not forget, like my channel, subscribe. If you have any question, just leave the comments down below. Thank you.